Chen Institute and Science Prize for AI Accelerated Research recognizes innovative young researchers who are developing and using transformative AI-based solutions in the physical or life sciences to accelerate or expand their research. 2025's Grand Prize winner, Dr. Zhuoran Qiao, is a machine learning scientist and founding scientist of San Francisco-based startup Chai Discovery.
Zhuoran very much embodies the spirit of open-minded exploration in interdisciplinary areas. The future of science, I believe, is the intersection of AI and science together. And Zhuoran took the early leap to really go deep into understanding both AI as well as the scientific domains in quantum chemistry.
You know, Zhuoran is a fantastic scientist, but he's also a fun person to work with. He's very collaborative, so there's a lot of work and shared insights that we're kind of bringing together. We're working on some of the most challenging problems in science at Chai Discovery, and it is really helpful to have people who are willing to, do the hard work to make those things happen, but at the same time are just like a joy to be around and are just excited and passionate about what's happening.
I'm Zhuoran Qiao, a scientist and founding team member at Chai Discovery. Previously, I got my PhD in physical chemistry from Caltech, and then I was a senior machine learning scientist at Alembic Therapeutics. My prize-winning work describes how we created AI models integrating physics and geometric deep learning to predict the structure of all biomolecules. Models like neuroplexer enable scientists to rapidly decode the complex interactions among biomolecules such as proteins, nucleic acid, drug compounds, and other molecules, giving potential to reprogram these building blocks of life into effective therapeutics. Our solution builds upon decades of scientific understanding of protein folding and thermodynamics, combined with advances in generative modeling like diffusion models. Integrating this generative approach with an equivariant model architecture inspired by earlier methods like AlphaFold, we efficiently harness vast historical data generated by biologists to predict new molecular structures.
Zhuoran is one of the few people whose work has really pioneered the entire space of AI and biology. There are a lot of people working on it today, but there are actually many fewer who believed in this a decade ago and decided to dedicate their careers to it. And not only has Zhuoran been working in this space and excited by it, but he's also created fantastic methods that really matter, really pioneering the use of AI to understand molecules at the finest of details at the molecular level.
AI allows us to harness evolutionary data from billions of sequencing reads, quickly inferring atom arrangements in three-dimensional space, generalizing across arbitrary chemical space and all biomolecular modalities, and overcoming barriers in sampling complex conformational states. This transforms previously impossible predictions into tasks taking only a couple seconds on computer.
Zhuoran is very much an interdisciplinary thinker and was able to collaborate broadly with my group who are more machine learning scientists as well as team at NVIDIA. And so that kind of interdisciplinary collaborations is essential to make progress in these areas.
The interdisciplinary nature of this work is just so charming to me. It combines everything I've studied: chemistry, statistical mechanics, machine learning, and high-performance computing. I'm deeply motivated by how these methods altogether can profoundly transform molecular simulations and real-world outcomes for challenging problems in biology and medicine. I believe AI will help to revolutionize biomedical research by leveraging multimodal biomedical data, following scaling laws to unlock unprecedented insights. This will enable faster discovery of new molecules, generate new hypotheses for disease biology, address indications that lack effective treatments, and also change the landscape of medicine and patient care. This award is deeply validating and humbling for me as an early-stage scientist. It acknowledges the potential of our work to push the frontier of AI-driven research, inspiring me and our team to continue pursuing ambitious, impactful innovations at the interface of AI and biological discovery. My advice for up-and-coming scientists is to be bold in exploring novel ideas, especially when you believe in them, and talk to people outside of the domain of your training. Be resilient in the face of setbacks and never fear competition. These traits will drive you toward a rewarding scientific career and deliver results with greater long-term value.
I see tremendous achievements in Zhuoran's future at this intersection of AI and biology. At Chai Discovery, our mission is to turn biology from a scientific discipline into one that looks more like engineering, and I think Zhuoran is key to those efforts in making that happen.
To learn more about the prize eligibility and submission requirements, go to cheninstitute.org/prize.